guess we go next time. Oh, okay. Whoever's staying, ask them if they can help. I got it. Vinny, you can. Yo, muscle. Yo, can you do the camera duty? Can you do the camera duty? This is all you have to do. Follow the ball. And keep it. I'll do stuff. It's recording? It's recording? You got it? Yeah. Wait, have two TV stats. Come on the outside. Find number and just look on the left side. Ball's right there, ball will help you. Yes, sir. What was the whistle? There's no whistle. They do a whistle after every shot. Ooh. Number 8? Come on, number 8. Where's number 8? Oh, right here? Oh, yeah. Yeah, there you go. Jayleni. Oh, Jay, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? Yo, they messed up my shots. I did it, bro. Around that? No, bro. So is this the guy from the wine? No. Which one? His name is Lewis. No, bro. It's not. Does he look like a freaking Ali bro? No, Ali got that too. One time. That's really funny, man. Red 9. You keep the track? I'm trying to read that. That's like a high player. Bro, I'll put my drink down, bro. These guys are fucking recycled. Baddest nigga in the black circle. Who is that, bro? Where's the lead at, bro? They put me down as a 3 and 3. You know what I said? Green one. Are you guys keeping track of how was from You coming tomorrow? Damn.
good reads, good reads. Good shot.
That was a two.
That's backcourt. Yes, sir.
Yo, that was a two.
That was a two, bro.
Bro, the ref's gonna beat your ass, bro.
You gave it to the wrong guy side. I'm moving it, bro.
Yo, you're an idiot, bro. Sorry, ref. That's why I don't trust Muslims.
Yo, go that way. Alright, here we go.
I must myself, bro. This is actually hideous, bro.
That's clean. Look at Harris.
They were calling a bunch of those out.
That's not anyone.
Good shit, Mustard. Oh, yo. Wait, did the lead dip?
I think so. Oh no, they're running the game on that side. There's a game on that side too. Yeah, same time.
Who's playing on our side?
Star shot Dave.
You play good out there, bro.
We play good, probably. We catch it. We're playing good, you know?
I don't know, what's your team name?
Team Texas.
Tracy?
The shot.
Team Tracy. You guys that team is crazy.
Oh, watch back door, bro. Yes, sir. That's not Harris.
When they're bringing the ball up, you need to bring come up with the shooting. No. But the thing is that way. Hey, here we go! You're coming one. Right? And it's not the shoot. I was. And they're the one approaching guards, especially Mohammed. And I'm the one trying to shoot him up.
Yes, sir, bro. Lock in, boys. Yes, sir. KD?
Yeah, no, KD. Does he want to scoreboard?
He's the one messing up.
Yo, all three of us going in?
Yeah, all three.
No, but you guys will be down here.
That's that nigga that kicked off. That nigga that kicked off.
Stop. we go. That's alright.
Good read, come on. Run it. And one! I gotta stop watching the game, start doing camera work though. Shot.
Bro, it's a good game, bro. Alright. Let's go. Stop. Yo, stop. Next step on. 24 minutes.
Dang, bro.
What up, brother?
Hey, bro, you playing real good.
Yo, we're playing zone?
Supposed to be in a zone.
It's kind of dysfunctional right now. Sub. Look corner. Oh, alright, good shot. Good shot, Sammy. Let's go, Omer. Let's go, bro. Get in there.
What number?
2. Yo, who are you coming up for? Yo. 2 for 8.
After first shot. Yo, what number was the first shot? Hey, who you have on that?
You go.
I didn't know. He said after first shot. Oh, what's up?
Good shot, Sammy.
Did he make it?
Yeah, he made it. Alright, so who are you coming with?
Number one.
Number 1? You're gonna come in next Next stoppage. Next stoppage.
Alright, 35.
9 in for 35. Go pass. Oh, so wait.
44 each.
That's a walk. That's a walk. That's a walk. 9 in for 35. 9 in for 35. 2014. Sub. No, you're getting the same amount of minutes as me.
Sub on that side.
Oh, good D, Monster Farm. Monster Farm lockdown, bro. Oh, that's... Good pass. Yo, come on, bro. You gotta make that. Stop. 8 for 7. 8 for 7. That's my team. I'm on that team. I have to live in here. Yeah. That's a crazy shot. Yo. Yo, Harris, this is subbing for 1. Yo, they can't guard him. Yo, going for 1.
Yo, I got sub.
Yo. When next? Would you just inbound?
Next football.
God damn it, Jizzy. Let's go, come on. Good shot.
That's it.
That's way too much. Good read. Oh my god. Yo, are they fouling? Are they like reaching a lot? Yo. 15 in for 1. 15 in for 1. Ryan, you should get it for 9, bro. You have a minute left.
Number 3, 19.
Agree. Good shot, Sammy. Shot, Sammy.
My bad,
You're chilling. Nah, that's crazy.
Help. Nice. Wait. Nice. 5, 4.
Run it.
4, 3,
2, 1, shoot it.
Bring it in. How much time you on the clock, man? Yo, put him back on.
Put like 1 second left on. Alright, 1 shot, bro. Yo, set a screen or something. Set a screen. Yo, set a screen.
1 second.
Harris. Yeah, out of bounds, not bad.
Yo, do you stop the camera at half? I'm gonna get better at this one. Come on, yo,
Yo, they're 4 quarters and 2 halves.
Oh, you know what I'm doing?
Yo, watch out. Yo, watch out. Yo, Ryan.
Let me do it, bro.
Yo.
Alhamdulillah,
man, I can't complain, bro. Yo, do I turn this off? Yeah, do I turn this off? I don't know. Yo, do I turn this off? Yeah, bro, how you been? Everything's good?
Yeah, I'm alright, yeah. Just working. That's what's up, bro. Yo, this place is hard. Hard, right?
Yeah, for you especially.
How far? Like 40 minutes. Random place. It's not even north. It's like, I don't know, east.
Yeah, it's weird, yeah. But I moved here with like AAU or like travel basketball when I was in middle school. So like these courts are like, I'm used to this commute. But yeah, it is pretty far. I used to come here at like 9 a.m. games, 8 a.m. I'm having like a rib problem. So right now I'm just taking a break for a few weeks and then inshallah I'll be free.
Hello, my bag is there.
Yo, get in your spot. Oh, I'm see the screen. Yo, watch out. Stand over. How many points you score? Number 11. You guys won though, right? Good rebound.
Good read.
Come on, press it.
Come on, Sammy. Still look at Matthias. Look at Matthias.
Step up.
Good shot, Sammy. Good shot, Sammy. Yo, that was a tough shot, yo. Watch him. Watch corner. Watch corner. Damn. It's just defensive unawareness. That's it, bro. We're chilling. Set screen. Good pass. Send him something, yo. Send him a screen.
Get down. Come on. Abel. Get down. I know. Five out. Get in your spot.
Set a screen. That's crazy pass.
Sammy, go. How many fouls does Sammy have?
Sammy is at 2 fouls.
Yo, don't guard the air. Savani.
That's us. That was a foul?
Horace, what? Yeah, nice.
Yo, watch. Nah, bro, you gotta pull that.
9. Help.
Shot. Yo. Number 11. He's dribbling the ball with his leg up. Who are you coming in for?
Go for one.
Arse of the month.
Bro, trust me, you have to keep up the pace.
Let's go. Look how big.
Move the ball around. I'm an idiot, bro. I'd be forgetting I'm doing camera work. I just leave the camera once I watch the game.
Can I ask one of you a quick question about next week? You guys have 2 games going on. Run it. Don't you dare pass.
Look at him. Oh.
Because you have 18 total, right?
Look at Sammy for 3.
So next week we'll have 14 playing at 10, 11, and 12.
No.
Oh, that's a walk.
11 o'clock. Who do I talk to? Get over the stick! Go.
Go hard, just chill. Hard, chill, yo. Yo. Hard, chill. Yo, this nigga you gotta give it a throw out. Throw down this nigga. Yo, come on. Does he know? Does he know? Oh.
Wait, I think so.
Yeah, if they do, then it's cool. I was like, yo. Tuesday, bro. Watch
No, after first shot, 3 minutes, hit on one.
For who? Wait. Right now. Get in. Horace! It was a good play.
Yo, Horace. Good D. Ah, damn.
Good job, Wahid. Good job.
Oh, that's crazy. Oh, he's tall. He's mad tall, bro. Mad tall, bro.
Then help him to drive.
Safan versus Brahim. Oh my God. That would have been the craziest thing. Good shot, Sammy. Look at Rahim. Cut. Watch Sammy in the corner. Close to comfort. Good steal. Oh my. Good block. Hell of a block. I think he hit the backboard, yo. I think he hit the backboard. What?
Now, Ryan, you got 3 fouls. Ryan.
Damn, bro. Yo, look at the scoreboard on the other side. Holy crap. 15 points is wild. Yo, look at the scoreboard on the other side.
Yo, 50-15 on the last year. Wait, that's on this team on 15?
Good pass, man. Oh, you gotta just lay that up. You gotta relax. Oh.
Let's go! Push it! Push it! Push it!
You got double. You got double. Someone's open. Someone's open. I see a foul. Travel. Good defense. Yes, sir. Lock up.
Good defense, Giovanni. Stop on that one. Next up, ball, yo. Yo, what are you shooting? Number 12, yo.
What number is that?
Go.
What number block is that? How many blocks you got? Yo, you. Oh my god. Can't shoot like me out there.
Next up, I got
Who you going in for?
you. Up on shot.
Savannah.
Where's that one time out? You're good, Sean. Back up. Ibrahim. Back up. You're going to 2 timeouts to the half. Forward up.
Yo, going for one, yo.
Stop.
Yo. Going for Shabani. For Shabani. 7 in for 2.
Yeah, no, you don't need.
You don't need sub?
I'm saying he has to hold us.
Oh. And one. Oh my god. Yo, how is it going now?
You can wait, yo. It's an entertaining game, yo. We're not fine.
Ryan 2, I bet. Good shot. Yo, lock up on defense, bro. You need intensity. Come on. Wake up. Rahim, wake up. That's a crazy. That's good defense. That's good defense. Rahim, look at Rahim. Watch cut. Come on, bro. Come on. Alright, for 35 and 1. 35 and 1. They're coming in. Oh, who's O? You're chilling, bro. It's for game one. Game one. Game one.
I think it's because we were out too late last night. We were out too late last night. I know, I feel it, yeah. I feel hooked on shit.
So look at the score on the other side. Oh, shit. That's Shah's aiming top. 22. That's a bad call. out. That's out. That's out. That's us. What? The foul? I keep mixing up your left.
No! That was in the ball. They're in the bonus. Give me the bonus. Wait. No, but I'm saying they have 17.
Oh my god, he got cooked. Good D, good D. Relax. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh, what you mean? No, the big man was running with the ball. I told him to hold it.
Yeah. Off the ball, he's on.
That's us, that's us. Good take, good take, good take, good take. Let's go. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Yo, yo, come on, come on, come on.
Green's in the bonus, by the way. They're in the bonus.
How many timeouts do we have?
You have one more. You have one more. Yeah.
Yo, we only got one timeout.
Yo, by the way, you guys are in the bonus.
Yo, belong.
Stay on yours, man.
Yeah, I believe it was
Take your time. Take your time. Take your time.
Goody, 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 goody. Good take, Matisse. Come on, come on. Press, press, press. Yo, press him. No, that's theirs. That's ours. That's ours. He threw it out. No, bro, no, that's ours. That's ours. That's that way. That's ours, bro. That's a bad call. That's a bad call. Thousand got. Can you hold the camera? Can you work the camera for 5 minutes?
No, it's focused right now. Yeah.
This is my first time doing it.
We got our jerseys and stuff. It's upstairs. Upstairs.
Yo, this game will be over. Solid, man. How you doing, bro? Thank you, bro. You too. Solid, man. They're running the clock out. Watch cut. They're running the clock out. Yo, you should foul. You should foul. Foul. Foul.
Is this first or second half?
That was it. This is the second half. No fouling, bro. Foul him as soon as he gets the ball. They're just gonna run the clock out.
Hey, no threes, no threes.
Calm. It's all good. Go back in. I got the